Okay, Josh, this is just a quick video on how to install the film on the glass for you. You can use 99% alcohol to clean the glass. Just clean it off pretty good. But also what you want to do is, obviously I wear gloves just to so you don't get fingerprints. Just clean off the film. Make sure there's no dust particles on it. The adhesive side is the shiny side. Quite often we'll use like a tape just to peel the protective layer back. Doesn't always work. Just be careful you don't delaminate the film when you do this process. I guess this tape's not very sticky right now. Okay, on these smaller pieces, you can just peel the whole piece back. I'll send you an applicator like this to install it. Line it up. Make sure it's lined up properly. Okay, the best way to do this so you don't get bubbles is to get it lined up. And then as you lay it down, you want to push the bubbles out. Just push it right across until it's all the way on, and then you can just continue it. Now if the glass is clean and the back of the film is obviously clean, you won't get any bubbles at all. So you can see it's got no bubbles. Still got the protective lining on the outside here. Now this is just a test one, so because this is on a piece of glass that was the first order of glass that was sent to us that was incorrect. So you'll have to peel off the pieces that you received already to install these new pieces. You can see that they're in the vertical position like this, and then when they are ready to install it on the lanterns, they could peel this protective layer off the film afterwards. Again, if you use double-sided roll some tape, it grabs onto the liner. Just use something a little bit more tackier than just a masking tape. Okay? If you have any questions, you can see there's no bubbles now. Like I said, I'll send a couple of these applicators in for you. If you have any questions, give me a call. Thanks.